If you want an highlighter and does not know to use it, keep on watching. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is on Revolution liquid highlighter. It looks like a dupe for iconic London. So this is the close-up of the product. The shade we have here is liquid starlight. So it's a glass container and a glass dropper. The price is 800 rupees. Quantity is 18 ml. I hate the dropper because it does not suck the amount of product which I need. The consistency is very good, very light, but it has to be blended when it is wet. Once it is dry, it is impossible to blend the product. You have to use a makeup remover or you have to wash your makeup off completely. Now let me show you how it looks on my face. So here I am showing you the difference between the place I have applied the highlighter and a place where not. Difference is amazing. So now I am going to apply this on my face. It's a glass container, so you have to be very careful to not drop it down. I hate the dropper as it does not work. So I had to take the product which was there on its surface. You have to be fast when closing this product because it can dry out. So here I am using a little amount first on my cheeks. You can see a beautiful sheen. It is not at all chunky, but you have to be very fast at blending. See? So never do a mistake of dropping it everywhere on your face and thinking that I'll blend it later. You will be creating a mess on your face. Here I could have fast forwarded and showed you the end result, but I am showing you in real time because it will show you the right technique how to blend. So I'm doing it right now on my nose. See how it brings the best sheen on my face. It literally lights like a bulb on my chin. On my forehead. So now I have covered all the places where I apply highlighter. And this is the close-up. You can see how beautiful it looks. Perfect amount of highlighter, and it will not move for 5 to 8 hours. I'm applying it on my eyelids also. It gives a wet look. Now let's apply it on lips to see how it works as a lip topper. I hope I have showed you all the best ways of applying highlighter on different areas of your face. With this technique you can never go wrong. Just be fast with the blending. I hope you also love the result as I am loving it. Be the first to see my video by subscribing and clicking the bell icon.